friends, I'm back again with a new recipe. Welcome to Delectable Flavors. I'm going to share a recipe with you how to make bread rolls stuffed with paneer, which means cottage cheese. So in order to do that, first we are going to turn on our stove. I took vegetable oil. You can take any oil you like, and then you put it in a pan and put it on a heat. And it takes about 15 minutes in order to have the bread rolls ready for your guest, or you can have it as a snack or for breakfast as well. So for this you need bread. It depends how many you want to make, so you can take the slices based on that. And you need paneer stuffing. I already pasted a link in the description box, so you can check the description box on how to make a paneer stuffing for a bread roll. So paneer stuffing is ready. So I need some water in order to seal our bread slices. So the first step is we need to put oil on heat, and then we are going to cut the edges. We'll take the sides off for the bread because they're kind of a little hard, and when we're going to do the stuffing, they're not going to let the roll close properly, so that's why we need to take them off. You can take a regular bread, or you can take a sandwich bread, because that's going to give you, I have a regular one, because the sandwich bread gives you a nice square piece. So, but any bread can work. So we're just going to take quickly the sides off. Now once this is done, so my slices are ready, and now I'm going to take some water. So what I'm going to do is take the bread slice quickly, and I'm going to soak it in the water, and I'm going to squeeze the water out as quick as possible. And after this, I'm going to take stuffing and I'm going to put it in, and after I'm going to close the sides first, the two sides, and then the other two sides, because this really gives a nice smooth closing for this. And you can take the extra, when you can press in between your hand, if there is any extra water, it's going to come out. So once this is done, then you can place it on the side, and you can take the second slice and you can do the same thing. Take the water out, and then you can put the stuffing in. Seal the sides first, and then seal the other two ends. And then again, you can press it in between your hands and try to seal all the sides. And now it's done. Now I'm going to check. Yeah, my oil is ready to go as well. And I made two before, so in order to faster the process. So now we are going to put them in oil. And then we are going to put them in gently in the oil. Make sure you drop them slowly, because sometimes the oil pops out. If you think they are opening or something, you can press it in your hands to seal them. And then gently stir them. So we're going to fry them until they are medium brown. Turn them around so all the sides are fried properly. Do it on a medium heat. Don't do it on a high heat, because then they're going to get brown fast, but they're not going to be as crispy as they're supposed to be. I'm going to wait for a couple minutes. You can fry two at a time if you want. You can fry all four at a time. It all depends on you, how you want it. You can see it's getting nice brown. So we're going to wait for all. If you think two of them are browned before than the other ones, then take those two out. Just turn them around so they're fried properly from all the sides and all the ends. this piece is ready. I'm going to take this out. Last time when I showed you how to make potato bread rolls with potato stuffing, at that time I used a rolling pin, and I used a little bit of water at the edges. So this is the new method where you can soak the whole piece, and you will see it works very well as well. So again, take the edges off, otherwise it's not going to be, the rolls will not close properly. Soaking in the water gives a nicer smooth to your bread rolls as compared to just soaking them a little bit on the edges only. So now our second roll is ready. Okay. They're nice and crispy. It tells you when you touch it or when they're touching each other. So now the final part is I'm going to decorate it. So I just brush my plate with the tamarind chutney. Imli chutney also is called as, known as imli chutney, and I will decorate with a little piece of cilantro. So now our paneer bread rolls are ready, and they really look very crispy, and they are nicely fried, as the color can tell. So believe me, it only takes 15 to 20 minutes, and it's very quick to make, and it's a good for change for a snack and a breakfast as well. Remember, the filling link is in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you like, please share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like our recipe on our YouTube channel as well. And stay tuned. Every Thursday we're going to come up with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.